Welcome students. Today I'm going to show you the model of eye. So first of all, orientation. The part which you can see near the nasal bone is medial part, and this one is lateral surface or lateral part. So at the bones you can see here, the lateral one is zygomatic and this one medial one is maxilla. Now muscles. So first of all, superior muscle, superior rectus muscle. Then at the medial surface you can see medial rectus muscle, and then at the lateral you can see lateral rectus muscle, and then at the inferior surface this one is inferior rectus muscle. This one is superior oblique and inferior oblique muscle. This one muscle. So how can you reorient it? That it is near the nasal surface. So now the anterior you can see transparent part cornea, and then cornea continue posteriorly as white part which is sclera. So at the posterior surface, sclera is continued as myelinated sheath, and inside it optic nerve is present, and in optic nerve there is central artery of retina and central vein of the retina is present. And at the inferior surface you can see a layer of fat. This one is retrobulbar fat. Now if we open it, first structure at the anterior is iris, and the muscles you can see here are dilator muscles, and inside it the muscles are sphincter muscles of the iris. So this layer is choroid layer. Choroid plexus, veins and nerves are also arteries are also present here. So first, the veins which are present here, these are known as varicose vein or vena verticosa. Then artery, which you can appreciate here from this move toward the anterior surface, this one is long posterior ciliary artery. So short posterior ciliary artery are also present here. At the anterior surface also some arteries are present, but they are not showing here. These are called anterior ciliary arteries, and the nerve here is ciliary nerve. So now if I open it, this one is postremal chamber. So now remove it. This one is cornea, which continue posteriorly as whitish layer which is sclera here. Then inside it is the layer which is choroid layer. Inside the choroid layer, this one is retinal layer. So retinal layer is divided into two surfaces. The first part of the retinal layer is this one, which is ciliary part, and the second part is this one, which is known as optic part. This one. So at the ciliary part you can see some pharynges are present here. These are called ora serrata, and the white layers are known as suspensory ligament, and the vessels at the optic part of the retina are anterior retinal vessels, and this one is central artery of retina and central vein of retina, and this one is optic nerve. So now this is cornea. This one is, you can see here, anterior chamber. Then this is iris, and iris continue as ciliary body, and then retina, which is neural and pigmented layer of retina. This one is lens. Now you can appreciate that between the iris and suspensory ligament, the chamber which is present is posterior chamber. Now the ciliary body, which consists of ciliary muscles, is posteriorly continue as the choroid plexus, which is this one. And the one more thing is the vein you can appreciate here. This is scleral venous sinus. Now at the optic part you can appreciate one more point. This one, number 13. This is fovea centralis, where image will form, and this one is optic disc. This is called blind spot of the eye. So that's all about the eye. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.